In the last video, I said your nerves run on 5 systems. Now let me walk you through each one. Your peripheral nerves are enormous energy consumers. A single nerve fiber can run from your spinal cord all the way to the tip of your toe. Maintaining the electrical gradient along that entire length takes constant, uninterrupted energy production. That energy comes from your mitochondria. But here's the catch. The same process that produces energy also generates free radicals. These are reactive oxygen species. Nerve cells are particularly vulnerable because their membranes are rich in lipids. These oxidize easily. When that oxidative stress accumulates, it can impair mitochondria, sensitize your pain-conducting neurons, and over time contribute to progressive nerve fiber degeneration. That's why antioxidant support isn't optional in a nerve nutrition strategy. It's a direct response to how nerve metabolism works. The second system, this is neuroinflammation. When your nerves are under stress, immune cells and glial cells release inflammatory cytokines. These are molecules like TNF-alpha, IL-1 beta, and IL-6. Short term, that's normal repair signaling. The problem is when it doesn't resolve. Sustained neuroinflammation can alter how your ion channels express themselves, increase pain sensitivity, and create a feedback loop where ongoing nerve stress keeps triggering more immune activation. It becomes self-perpetuating. The third system is microcirculation. Your peripheral nerves need blood flow, not just from large vessels, but these tiny capillaries and arterioles that run through nerve tissue itself. These microscopic vessels deliver oxygen, glucose, amino acids, and critically, nerve growth factors like NGF and BDNF directly to your nerve fibers. When that circulation is compromised, and it commonly is in metabolic conditions, you get tissue hypoxia, impaired energy production, and a nutrient delivery bottleneck. Even if you're taking the right supplements, they can't get where they're needed. The fourth system is myelin integrity. Myelin is roughly 70 to 80% lipid and 20 to 30% protein, and it's metabolically active, constantly being maintained and repaired. That maintenance requires B vitamin dependent metabolic pathways, lipid synthesis cofactors, and antioxidant protection against lipid peroxidation. Without those inputs, signal speed and reliability decline. The fifth system is neurotrophic factors. These are things like nerve growth factor, brain-derived neurotrophic factor. These proteins are essential for neuronal survival and for the biological environment that supports axon health. The Schwann cells wrapped around your peripheral nerves secrete these growth-promoting molecules in response to metabolic and nutritional cues, which means your diet and your supplement strategy can, at least in part, affect the environment your nerve fibers are working in. These 5 pathways don't fail independently. Oxidative stress worsens inflammation, poor circulation limits nutrient delivery, impaired energy production undermines myelin repair. A strategy that addresses only one misses the full picture. Next, I'm going to show you what the research says about combining nutrients and give you a concrete action plan you can start today.